This is the instruction for the game of fishing. The game of fishing is for 1 or 2 kids. The objective of this game is for the kids to get 20 good fishes by fishing, using that fishing rod to pick up the fish and get 20 good fishes. In that case, they will win. But amongst those fishes, there will be sharks. And whenever they pick up a shark, the shark will take one of the chairs off the boat. So there's 4 sharks in there. If they fish up 4 sharks and they lose all 4 chairs, which is the 4 sides of the boat, then they will lose. So what you're going to need for this game is 2 tables, like that. You're going to need 4 chairs, 4 little chairs. You're going to need the words that they'll be reading, whether it's sight words or alphabets or whatnot. So these are the words for me today. And you're going to need this bucket here, which will contain 20 good fishes and 4 sharks. Sharks, you can tell because they have a picture of a shark, and that's it. And for the good fishes, there'll be a number on it. Okay? Now, setting up the game. First, put the 2 tables together like that. Then put the 2 chairs, 4 chairs into there and tell them it's the side of the boat. Tell the kids to get on the boat. So there's my kid for today, by the way. And then you start laying out all the fishes in the bucket in a circle around the boat. Okay? After you do that, then you can hand them the fishing pole. That should be the last thing you do, because otherwise they'll start playing. And then after that, you're ready to begin. Playing the game. As soon as they start, the kids can start fishing. And whenever they fish, they pick it up, they have a look. No, that's not a shot. If it's a number, then what you're going to do is take it from the kid, tally up 1 on the whiteboard, and then pick up one of these words and keep it in your hand. By the way, those words will be put on a mat, number 1 and number 2. So in that case, you just pick up a word from number 2. And then the kid fishes again and maybe, say, picks up a number 1. Then you just take it, mark on the board. Now they've got 2 fishes. And then you pick up, this is the word number 1. So you do this so they get to keep on fishing until they pick up a total of maybe 4 to 6 words. If it's 1 kid, then just 4 words. So you pick up 4, they get 4 good fishes. And maybe for a 2-player game, then you can wait until they get 5 or 6 fishes altogether between the 2 of them. So you have 5 of these word cards in your hand. At that point, you stop the game, tell them to stop fishing, be firm about this, and then you get them to read the words together. So land, nan, and then maybe ban, cap, lap. Okay, and then after they're done reading, then they can continue fishing. Again, every 4 or 5 or 6 fishes, whatever you deem appropriate, then you have a stop, and then you read the words that you picked up. The fishes are shark, number 1 and number 2. So it's shark. If it's in the case, it's a shark actually. Then what will happen is, they pick up, it's like a shark. Then at that point, you just tell them it's a shark. And what you do is you will remove one of those chairs from the table to indicate that it got bitten by the shark. So like this. And then the kids just continue until they get either 4 or 5 or 6 words. Good fishes, actually. And then they have to read the words. So game continues in this manner until the kids either get a total of 20 fishes, or they, the sides of the boats, they're all gone. At which case they go like, oh no, you just tell them, the shark's gonna get you, everybody run! Then they can just hop off the table and run outside the classroom, just to show that they got away. Okay, so anyway, that's a game of fishing. Really simple. Fish up some fishes. You collect the words according to the number on the fish. So If it's word number 1, get one number 1. If it's word number 2, then we'll just get a word number 2. The kids read, and then they continue fishing. If it's a shark, you remove a chair. If they get 4 sharks, then they lose the game. Of course, some kids, if you notice, some kids are like getting scared, because kids get scared easily. Then what you can do is just go, oh, it's okay. Either you can help them to identify which one's the shark, just provide them some assistance, or you can just remove them altogether from the game and just let the kids enjoy, just simply just fishing. Okay, and so that's the game of fishing there.